Hello and welcome. Hoping that you will have seen my previous Munnar vlog. Now, let's continue with the story.
आईज आमकां बेबीन हांगासर 1000 पे करून आमकां हांगासर हाडला आनी जर बरें ना
हांवें करूंक ना 1000 तेंच्यांनी आपआपल्या बॉल्सांतले घातले हांवें म्हाजो 1000 दिला ओके
आमी हांगासर कलरी पायटू आनी कितें पळोवपाक गेला
कथकली डान्स फॉर्म
कथकली पळोवपाक गेला आनी बरें ना बेबी आमकां 1000 भरून हांगासर बसयले आमकां एक्चुली झेम येता पूण तरी सुद्दां हांव आनी लोरी येयला समज बरें ना जाल्यार हांव जाल्यार बड्डे फुडें आसा पळया पळया स्टेज पळया कितले फुडें आहा ती मातशी प्लीज दाखय गो कितले फुडें स्टेज आनी जर आमी न्हिदली जाल्यार बेबीचे
आय प्रॉमिस तुमी न्हिदची ना पळयना
चल
Varsha from Goa. Mr. Vinit from Mumbai. Vinit. Prashant Viradsani. Now comes the dangerous jamming through the farming nation.
The Punarjani Traditional Village is a performing art theatre in Munnar. They showcase skills like classical fusion and Kalari Paitu. I must say that these artists are brilliant in whatever skill they have. At the end of the show, we had an interactive session with one of the trainers of the team, and he told us that they have been doing this for past many years. Like for the past 7 years, they had been only doing Kathakali. After Corona hit, like for the past 4 years, they have also added Kalari Paitu.
previous one was yours only the dance
Yeah, dance also we are performing. Actually, first 7 years before we are doing Kathakali show. Now we are changed after the corona. We are changed.
your good name
Unni Guru. I'm the trainer.
okay thank you would understand that very nice आमी रातची कितले येयला गो 9 जाली 9 अनाचर ह्या रोडाचेर चलोन हॉटेलार वयता बिकॉज हांवें सांगलां ह्या मनशा आफ्टर प्रोग्राम चलोन या तो ओनर आमकां व्हरपाक येयल्लो
प्लीज
गायज दिस इज द विटनेस प्लीज लिसन टू देम सांग
काय बरी सारखी आमी गाडी पूण त्या बेबी खातीर आमकां टेन्शनान आतां चलचें पडटा बिकॉज काय बरो ओनर आमचो जो हॉटेलाचो ओनर आसा न्हू काय बरो आमकां व्हरपाक आमच्या पांयाक येयल्लो बेबी
गायज फिटनेस फिटनस आतां 2 दीस आमी केरला हेला पळय तें मातशें जिरोवपाक नाका सो हांवें ताका सांगलें ह्यो गाडयो हांगासर मातश्यो डेंजर चडूच तेंकोन वयता शो दे लायक टच सो तेच सो कंटिन्यू करता की आमी फिटनस करपाक जाय फिटनस इज अ मस्ट सो वी आर डायजेस्टिंग वॉकिंग इन द डार्क ऑफ द नाईट ऑफ अ नॅचरल सिटी.
After half an hour, we reached our hotel, got fresh, and had our dinner. The night was so mesmerizing. We could see dew everywhere. The weather turned out to be much cooler by then. That's what we did till 2 a.m. Had lots of fun creating reels. Today is our second day in Arunachal and we are having breakfast at around 11:30 because our second days are always late because the first day we literally try to complete everything and then second days we wake up late, very late, and now we are having brunch. We have ordered egg roast, dal, parota and appam. So this is what we are going to eat now. And then we are going to explore a little more. We are going to go to chocolate factory and see what is there.
Also, we have some news
very
about our train, so we are pissed off.
So that's what we were upset because our previous train was not confirmed even last night. But today morning I got a news that our train is confirmed and we have already booked another train. So now we have double booking for the train. And we don't know how to cancel the previous one, so that is a problem now. We have filed a TDR and it is going to take a lot of time for a refund or else we won't even get a refund. So that's why we are little tensed, don't know what to do, and let's see how we will go through this day. Okay.
आता फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमकां रील्स करपाक इनकम्प्लीट
Yeah.
Plus, we need to go and see some.
मागीर आमी टेन्शन घेवची ना तशी टेन्शन आमी घेवपा ना ओके इतली आमी पयशे मोडल्यात सो आमी आनी मोडूंक शकता.
After the breakfast, we went to one of the chocolate factories. In Munnar, there are chocolate factories at every stop. There were a variety of chocolates over here, which were made of different flavors like pista, strawberry, orange, pineapple. They also had dry fruits and dark chocolates. The cost was rupees 1,500 per kg. The dark chocolates were expensive. It cost rupees 2,000 per kg.
इसके अंदर ऐसा वाला सीड आता है, एक फ्रूट का अंदर ऐसा वाला 32 सीड मिलेगा. 1 किलो चॉकलेट बनाने के लिए ऐसा वाला 1000 सीड चाहिए. बाद में 1 हफ्ता फर्मेंटेशन, 1 हफ्ते का बाद वो वॉश करके सनलाइट में ड्राई करके रोस्ट करने के बाद सीड ऐसे बाद में उसका शेल निकालना चाहिए. सेल निकाल के क्रश करके ऐसा है वो 100% डार्क चॉकलेट थोड़ा बिटर आएगा. नो प्रॉब्लम. बाद में वो पीछे वाला लास्ट वन वो ग्राइंडर मशीन में वो 7 hours ग्राइंड करते हैं. ग्राइंड करने के बाद सीड के अंदर आप बटर आएगा, देखो कोको बटर एंड कोको पाउडर आएगा, दोनों सेपरेट है. उसमें फर्स्ट वन बनाते सारा नॉर्मल मिल्क चॉकलेट, उसमें 42% कोको बटर एंड कोको पाउडर मिल्क शुगर ऐड करके पीछे वाला वो मशीन में मिक्स करते. बाद में डिफरेंट मिल्क करके फ्रीज करते. लास्ट वन डार्क चॉकलेट में नो मिल्क नो शुगर, ओनली 80% कोको 20% स्टीविया आता है. डार्क चॉकलेट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, शुगर कोलेस्ट्रॉल. लास्ट वन बनाता है वाइट चॉकलेट. वाइट चॉकलेट में नो कोको पाउडर, ऑलरेडी कोको बटर मिल्क एंड शुगर. सब चॉकलेट प्योर बिस्किट सेवन.
ग्रीन चिल्ली में एडेड ग्रीन चिल्ली.
How you make it?
तो मैं चॉकलेट वाइट चॉकलेट में मिक्स है ये चिल्ली, ग्रीन चिल्ली.
So they mix this green chili in the chocolate. Then we stopped by a handmade sari shop. This was at the entrance.
That's the 750 madam.
Beautiful sarees. Very beautiful sarees. Well printed.
After spending some time over there, we got back to our room. The same evening at around 8:30, we had our return train from Alwa station to Goa. So to tell you, the return journey was too hectic. Like we had to change 3 buses to get to Alwa station. And the worst it can be was that the conductors didn't know how to speak in English or Hindi. So we were clueless of what they were telling us, like where to go, which bus to catch. We didn't know what to do. But somehow one of the conductors helped us and we reached Alwa station around at 7:30, and somehow it was raining too heavily. So it really got on our nerves at certain point. Like we were frustrated and we decided like we won't travel this way anymore. What I meant by saying that we decided not to travel this way anymore was that it is better to travel to Munnar by your own vehicle, or else book a cab from the stations like the airport or else any railway stations where you go, because traveling by bus is too hectic. You just you just die by the time you reach the hotel. So this was a nice experience for us. We enjoyed it too. Munnar is too beautiful. Like once you reach there, you get all the calmness, the peace which you deserve after a long hectic day. That is what Munnar gives you. I would like to share another incident. This was from a Hampi trip. So everything went really well, like the stay, the people, the food, everything. Like literally everything was perfect, on point. But the worst came when we were returning back to Goa. So we booked the same bus which we booked while going there. So we had done round trip. So when we were coming back, our bus broke down on a highway at around 2 a.m. in the night. And we thought that it might be a minute breakdown or something, so we slept again. Like 2 a.m. we were already asleep. We didn't know what to do. Then around at 4 a.m. it was too hot in the bus. The AC was not working. We woke up and we saw the bus was still at the same place. It was not moving at all. The people were screaming. They were like furious at the driver, the conductor. And then we got down from the bus and we came to know that the service can be provided only after 10 a.m. in the morning. So imagine if they contact them at 10 a.m., the people will reach at 12. So then we were very worried. We didn't know what to do. So somehow, luckily, one bus stopped by. And then few of us went near the conductor and we told him this is the problem. Can you take us to Goa if you are going there? So he agreed. He said that we have only 2 seats left. You all manage how you all want to. So we were like, fine, we'll even stand, but just drop us to Goa. So we went running, we got our luggage, we sat there. And if you see my Hampi vlog, I have mentioned we got some friends who were traveling to Goa. So they were also in our bus. So that's how our friendship started. So we all got into the bus, we shared one seat, 5 of them on one seat and 4 of us on one seat. So somehow we managed. We reached Goa at around 11 in the morning. So what I meant to say is book your travel wisely. Even if it's expensive, please book a safer one. So this is what we have learned in traveling places. Even the stay. Make sure you research thoroughly of where you stay. Who's the owner? What is their reputation? What are the reviews? What people talk about? So find out every detail about it and then only book your stay. Alright, coming back to the reality, Munnar is a lovely place and I must say you must visit it once in your lifetime. Until then, see you next time.